Quickly transition between movements without worry about your mat slipping with a unique, dual-textured yoga mat. Introducing the DualFit yoga mats. Keep your focus on moving through your routine, not on your mat moving. Featuring a combination of dual-fibre jute and foam textures, this woven yoga mat provides the perfect fusion of texture, grip, and cushion for comfort. Jute material adds durability and grip to the mat, making it easier for hands and feet to grip. Non-slip, textured bottom ensures the mat stays in place. Longer length allows for full coverage during movements. DualFit yoga mats are available individually in blue or purple. Stay focused and stay put during quick transitions with the unique dual-textured DualFit yoga mats.